only 483 views, and it has generated $54.58 US in Google ad revenue. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, showing you how to create profitable content. So originally, this video was going to be titled, "This video only has 235 views and has already made $18.37 in Google ad revenue." And I was supposed to film it a couple weeks ago. And as time went on, it got about 200 or so more views, and the Google ad revenue has more than doubled. So this is the video right here. And as you can see, it doesn't even have 1,000 views yet. It doesn't even have 500 views yet, and it's already generated $54 US. I'm here in Vancouver, Canada, so this is actually in the $65, closer to $70 range right now with the currency conversion. Now, I knew that this video was going to do well, and I want to share with you my thought process on creating certain types of videos that are evergreen and that can attract more Google ad revenue. First of all, what is evergreen content? Evergreen content is a piece of content that you can create and it is good all year round, meaning people can watch it 365 days, 24 hours a day. An example of not evergreen content is when you create a Christmas video. It's likely that people are only going to be watching that video during Christmas time because most people aren't going to watch Christmas stuff in August. So let's head over to the video and analyze this, and let me explain why I knew this video was going to do well. So this tutorial is not an exciting tutorial. It's nothing viral. It's nothing hot topic. The video is entitled "Setting Up Your Own Affiliate Program in ClickFunnels, Step-by-Step Tutorial." Not very exciting, right? And you might not even know what ClickFunnels is. So the strategy here is that we often create these tutorial videos where I see that there's a gap in the market. So what do I mean by that? I was actually trying to set up my own affiliate program in ClickFunnels, and I was looking on YouTube for tutorials because it wasn't clear on how to actually do it. And what I noticed instantly was that all the videos talking about how to create your own affiliate program in ClickFunnels were either really old or they didn't go into enough detail. They just skimmed over everything and didn't really explain the process fully. So upon trying to figure this out myself, I realized that there's an opportunity here. One, because if I'm having this problem myself, it is likely that many other people in ClickFunnels who have ClickFunnels are having this exact same problem. And I knew if I went into more detail than everybody else that this video would beat everyone else's out. And you can see that my tutorial is 15 minutes long. And we often get comments like, "Oh, you shouldn't create a video more than 10 minutes long, people's attention spans, XYZ," and stuff like that. The thing with tutorial videos is people will be watching if I'm showing them how to do something and it's gonna take 15 minutes to show you how to create the affiliate program. It's likely that they're going to watch it because that's how long it takes to show how to actually do it. The cool thing with tutorial videos on our philosophy with YouTube is that the video length needs to be how long it needs to be to explain the concept. So if it takes you 1 minute to explain the concept, that's how long it should be. Don't extend it. If it takes 20 minutes to explain the concept, then it needs to be 20 minutes. Don't try and rush it. And in this case, it needed to be 15 minutes and 51 seconds. I don't like wasting people's time, and I don't like my time being wasted. And another thing that I noticed is that ClickFunnels is a huge company. They're huge. There's so many people in there. They've been around for a long time. And so I know that they run ads all the time. They're always running Facebook ads, Google ads. I see them in apps. If I'm playing a video game, I see a ClickFunnels ad in my game. And so what does that say? It's like, oh, okay, yeah, they post everywhere. Well, that tells me that they have a huge marketing budget, and likely if I create videos on ClickFunnels, that they're going to do custom ad placements promoting their ClickFunnels software on my video because I'm talking about ClickFunnels. So it's no wonder that it would be a great fit. So these are some things to pay attention to, especially if you're in the how-to tutorial area on YouTube. Because I know that most people are like, oh, there's not enough traffic, there's not enough volume for search. Our strategy is to go after the stuff that most people aren't going after and to capitalize on that. And if we go back to the analytics here, the video has currently 483 views. It's generated $54. So for sure, when this video gets 1,000 views, the estimated Google ad revenue will be over $100. And that is really good for a video. There are people who have 1 million views, but the video doesn't generate, $300 to $500, or it generates less. So pay attention to certain topics that are monetizable. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Make sure you subscribe because we're going to always be talking about how to create profitable content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.